For years, Apple has dominated chip innovation, always first to launch phones with the latest processor tech, but that streak could end in 2025. And the challenger, Samsung. After a rocky run in 2022 with poor yields on Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, Samsung lost Qualcomm's trust to TSMC. Think of chip yields like pizza slices. If some burn, each good one gets more expensive. Now Samsung's Foundry could produce a 2nm version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, just for the Galaxy Z Flip 8. This for Galaxy chip would be overclocked, powerful and efficient, built on Samsung's 2nm node. Samsung also improved yields and used new GAA transistor tech in the Flip 7. Less energy loss, more power. Unlike FinFET, GAA wraps the channel on all sides, drastically boosting chip efficiency. The Galaxy S26 series might use the 2nm Exynos 2600, making Samsung the first to launch a phone with 2nm silicon. Apple led at 7nm, 5nm, 3nm. But Samsung could break that streak. Reports say Samsung's 2nm yields hit 30%. If that holds, this could change everything. Stay tuned for more, and subscribe to never miss a tech beat.